for beginners those who are looking to dive into the world of metal fabrication. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a building artisan, Welding offers a regime of creative possibilities in the comprehensive guide. We will present exciting welding project ideas, tailored especially for beginners like you. From functional and practical items to artistic masterpieces, this project will not only help you on your welding skill but also leave you with a sense of accomplishment and pride. Let's free up to charge and get started on your journey to becoming a profit welder. Crafting personalized workbook as an ideal beginner welding project. These hooks are both form and function, allowing you to showcase your artisan's craft while offering practical utility. You can experiment with various designs such as animal, initial, or geometric shapes, and then weld them into the metal plates. These custom wall hooks make fantastic gift for stylish addition to your home. Transformation your garden with the same metal trails welding together vertical and horizontal barking create a beautiful latex structure to support combined plants. Process involve basic weld making it a sensible and watching project for welding newcomers. While your trails flourish as plants gracefully wave through the material framework. With your welding skills too easy to creating unique material. You can do it simple right angle welds. You can fashion geometry or abstract design that will surely hold your book in place. This book can also serve as eye-catching decor pieces of your bookshelf or study area. Elevate your gaining experience by crafting custom BBQ grill grate, welding together steel bar and grind pattern wood form the perfect cooking surface for your backyard. Barbecue not only will enjoy the process of welding, but you will also serve as delicious result of your metal wall art. Let your creativity run wild with metal wall art, from intricate pattern to bold sculpture. Welding enables you to translate your artistic vision to tangible pieces. Experiment with various metals such as stainless steel, copper, or even reclaimed material to add texture and character to your masterpieces. Enhance the greenery in your living space and handmade metal plant stand Welding steel rod or pipes into sturdy and stylish structure will not only display your potted plant but also infuse elegance into your home decor. These stands are easily customizable, allowing you to adapt your size and shape to accommodate different plant varieties. Preserve childhood memories in a unique and durable way by creating metal picture frame, welding metal corners together, giving you frame and modern and industrial look. Experiment with different finishes and embellishment to complement your photography while adding a personal touch. A practical addition to an interview of marital code track offer a perfect opportunity for beginners welder to practice their skill. Welding hook onto a metal bar or plant provide an excellent experience in mastering precious and eccentric plus sure I have functional pieces that keep your space organized and clutter free. Unless you're in an outdoor man and welding of custom fabric, welding metal sheet or plant together will create a steady and reliable structure that ensure countless evening of warmth and with family and friends. Remember to follow safety guidelines and consider to resistance coating to prolong your fabric life. Embrace welding as an art form of designing and crafting metal sculpture from abstract to figurative and possibilities are endless. The project offer enhanced to experiment with various welding techniques such as MIG, TIG, and welding while letting your imagination take center stage. These 10 welding project ideas are designed to unleash your creativity and provide a hand on learning experience for beginners. Either you are looking to add functional items to your home, spice up your garden, or explore welding as an art form, each project will help you grow as a welder. So, to note your welding helmet, gather your material, and let your creativity and passion for welding guide toward a rewarding and fulfilling journey in metal fabrication. Happy welding!